Okay, so this is something really interesting that I have noticed over the last month. Like, I have had like a flat nose forever. Like, just forever. Like, pretty flat. But lately, this bone right here has been kind of sticking up and sticking out more. And um I don't know, like, could my nose be like growing or something? It's so weird. I don't know why, but it's just more like protruding. I didn't hit it, I didn't do anything to it, it's just like that. So I was just laying here like looking at my nose, thinking about how that's like so weird. And it's just been happening like recently. I don't know why. And something's in my throat. I just had apples and almond butter. I like to eat that at night. But it kind of like does a little like something in my throat that I don't really like. Anyways, I just thought I'd hop on and just talk about that. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bye.